calculating your percentage on a test, if you were calculating your percentage on a test, what would you do? What would you do?
Divide.
Yeah, Karan. Divide what by what?
Divide what you got right.
Uh-huh. By the total, right? So you take what you got, divide it by the total. That's exactly the same thing for percent composition. You take the amount of mass from a given element and you divide it by the total. That's it. Okay? So it's equal to the mass of the element over the mass of the compound. Okay, so let's say, for example, I have Al2O3, and I want to know the percent composition. So what percent of this molecule is aluminum? What percent of this molecule is oxygen? Okay, so I'm going to start here with aluminum. Okay, I'm going to start with aluminum. Okay, now my mass of aluminum is normally 27 is the molar mass. What am I going to have to do in this case if I have Al2O3? Multiply it by 2. Very good, because I have 2 aluminums. So instead of the mass of aluminum being 27, the mass of aluminum is 54. So I now have 54 grams. And then I have to determine my total molar mass. So I have 54 plus 3 times 16, which is 48. So 54 plus 48 is 102 grams. So again, this is the total mass of aluminum over the total mass of the compound. Does everyone see where I got 54 and 102 from? Yes. Sorry, I'm trying, but... Yes? Exactly. So the percent, very good. The percent of oxygen would be 48 grams over 102 grams. Very good. Okay? Does everyone see where George got that? He said, okay, for the mass of oxygen, if there's just one of them, is 16. Gentlemen, stop talking, please. 3 times 16 is 48, okay, which is where the mass of oxygen comes from, and then this is still the total mass. Okay, so it's the mass of the element over the mass of the whole compound. Okay, 54 divided by 102. Can someone hit me with a calculator on that, what that is? Yes. Okay, Anthony? 0.53, which if I multiply by 100% is 53%, which would mean that here I would probably get 0.47 times 100% is 47%. So this tells me that 53% of the compound is aluminum, 47% is oxygen. Okay? So again, when you're approaching a percent composition problem, it's just like thinking about how would I calculate my average on a test. I would take the amount that I have over the total. Is that O? Oxygen, yeah, O. Do I need to go over another example?